In this Forno support video, we will be looking at maintaining good results from your dishwasher. For optimal cleaning, ensure that your hot water tank is set at 130 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. This impacts the ability to break down food soils, activation of detergents, and impacts dishwasher ability to dry well, especially plastics. Ensure that you use the cell separator for silverware. If not used, utensils have tendency to nest together and one side of the utensil may not get water to clean it. When placing your dishes, verify that they are not too tight. If water cannot spray up between and down from above, between the plates, it impacts cleaning. For deeper plates, do not stack them tightly. It is best to separate them. When loading pots and pans, do not fully cover the washing tray. Leave room for an empty row between bowls and pans to get the water and detergent up on the dirty surface and avoid water blockage. Once you have loaded your dishwasher, ensure that there is no obstruction to the spray arms. Clean the 3 filters every 30 days. Food soils have a fiber content to them and they get stuck on the filters and the base. Since there are 3 components that make up filter, it does capture food soils that stick to the fibers and create less pressure in wash system as it cannot pull water through the wash arms at needed pressure to clean. When reinstalling the 3 filters and base of dishwasher, ensure they are properly seated and locked to ensure all water and soils get filtered. If filters not seated correctly, foods may go through and larger particles can get stuck in the wash arms, not allowing water to flow onto dishes. For dry and streak-free dishes and glassware, use the rinse aid. Forno, a new era in kitchen appliance.